this is exactly what I mean. You have to go through that pain, you have to go through that heartbreak, to go through that loss and sit with it. You are not supposed to distract yourself. Hey guys, this is Sakshi again with a new video, and look at the weather. It's raining. I mean, it's October and it's already raining. I was not expecting it to rain. No one was expecting, by the way, and it's very unexpected. And this is exactly how life works, by the way. This is exactly what I am gonna talk about in this video. So in the previous video, I have shared you guys about how my life is going downhill and I was not feeling anything. So I couldn't help but to reflect backwards. I had to stop with everything I was doing. So I was like, you know what, I can't go forward with my life. I can't sign projects or I can't start working with something new. I had to stop there and I had to reflect back on things which you know how you feel stuck in your life. That feeling I have dealt with, so I know how that feels like. So whenever you whenever you are working on a certain project, whenever you are working on like anything, be it anything, you know, you have started something and then you feel that stuck feeling that nothing is going forward or nothing is even like in a loss, okay, you're losing time, but it's like, you know, you can't see anything, you can't see the results, you can't see any progress going on. So you'll feel like, okay, should I just quit? Should I just quit or try to do everything possible at the moment and try to figure out everything and lose my mind over that? I swear, delays, you know, you might be facing delays that okay, मेरे लिए काम नहीं कर रहा है या फिर ये चीज़ क्यों, मतलब मैंने प्लान किया था कि ये डेट पे होना चाहिए था, अभी ये नहीं हुई है, बिकॉज आई मीन तुम्हें जेन्युइनली समझना चाहिए कि लाइफ इज़ नॉट वर्किंग और इन कंट्रोल ऑफ यू. Life is not in control of anyone. Life is definitely working in our favor. We have to accept that. But it's not. It will never be in control of you. I just told you about the weather part, right? We all were expecting it to be a sunny day, like a hot, humid day. But look at it. That's it really going according to it. But then you eventually turn or twisted the plan, right? Like अगर मैं सोच रही थी कल कि you know what, मैं बीच पे जाऊँगी, फिर मैं you know कुछ भी मतलब कुछ सनी डे का प्लान करी थी एंड इमीडिएटली बारिश होने लग गई या फिर कुछ होगा एंड मैंने प्लान चेंज कर दिया इमीडिएटली. सो एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ, क्योंकि मेरा पॉइंट यही था कि डीले या फिर कोई लॉस, हार्ट ब्रेक, एनीथिंग, literally anything is not trying to break you or not trying to stop you from anything. It's just trying to like turn that thing, but absolutely in your favor. It will never go against you. You know what I mean? So I still remember this one incident about the plane crash that happened this year. So there were two people who got saved in that plane crash, and each and every person apart from them died. I am not saying that it was someone's loss. I'm not saying that you are. I mean, what are you talking about? Astrology is cliche. Everything is cliche. No, it's not cliche, by the way. Let me tell you everything that happens. Everything, everyone you meet, everything that happens for a reason. And I might sound cliche with that, but that is actually what it is. You know. Some people believe in God, some people believe in divine being or universe. I do believe in universe. I'm someone who's spiritual. I always think that everything that is happening is always working for me. And definitely, if something is happening, I feel that okay, this doesn't feel good to me. Or, for example, I think I should work with more examples here because it will sound more clear to you. And this is something that I've learned in a very hard way, because I used to be a person who used to control life so much, like crazy. I am not kidding. If this, for example, if I am going to an event and मैंने ये प्लान किया है कि मैं ये आउटफिट पहनने वाली हूँ एंड ये चीज़ें होने वाली है एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ हो जाता है, आई कांट वेयर दैट थिंग और आई कांट गो द सेम डे towards that plan, whatever I have planned. So what used to happen, it used to ruin my mood. I used to be so disappointed and I used to end up feeling like completely Do you really think God will literally decide that, okay, this is my kid, this is, someone who I literally brought into this planet, brought into this lifetime? Do you really think God will say कि इसकी मैं बर्बादी करूँगा? नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं होता. Even universe, even whatever is happening, but of course there is a certain timeline we are going through. For example, I am in a certain timeline and I have to reach here. But this timeline, whatever, I have already prepared in the previous timeline for this one. Okay. So to reach this timeline, I have to be prepared in order to reach there. The difference, the timeline का medium, okay, the difference है ये. So cover करने के लिए I need to prepare. The preparation कहाँ से होगा? God prepares you. Universe prepares you. If you believe in a certain whatever, whoever, please, that prepares you to reach your. There's a certain version of you that you're constantly chasing, you're constantly working on all the time. So the delays, जो भी losses can be. I'm not talking about losses like you losing things. No, I'm not talking about you losing money, you losing anything. No, I'm talking about people as well. For example, if you are losing your partner, you're losing your parents, you're losing anyone that is very close to you. The way, I know that's very heart wrenching, that's very shattering, I know that, but you know what, the way you go through so many realizations, you go through so many lessons during the whole phase, that which is preparing you for the next version of you. This is exactly why, if you see, like those people who went through so much, but the way they came out of that with a very strong, strong mindset, strong like beliefs, I would say. So the way they come out of that, when they come out of that phase, that post version of that phase, crazy. I'm telling you, crazy. So the more you go through, the more you grow through it. But by the way, I'm loving this vibe. Okay, never mind. So if you remember in the previous video, I have shared about how difficult my weeks went through, like my difficult all those previous weeks were, and even the last year I was mentally not okay. Believe me when I say this, the way I have got so mentally strong, like it's just crazy, and you can't see that like externally when I say that. It's internal, the way I think, the way I sleep, the way I just don't next timeline. And this whole world works with timeline, this lifetime. You will get a set of lessons to learn, you will have a set of purpose to fulfill in this lifetime. You are not just brought into this life and you are just like, you just have to come here and chill. Of course you have to, fulfill certain purpose, certain lessons. If you don't learn these lessons right now, you have to come again in this lifetime. You can go and read this in any spiritual books, you can go and read this in any religious books. I'm not talking about anything that is not there. Please go and do your research. I am just talking what I have experienced myself, okay, what I've been through, and what kind of clarity it gave me after going through it. This is exactly what I mean. You have to go through that pain, you have to go through that heartbreak, to go through that loss and sit with it. You are not supposed to distract yourself from that, because if you're distracted, so there are a lot of things that it's very easy to get distracted from all those things. By the way, if I tell you that it's so easy, like for example, if I go through a certain heartbreak which is meant to teach me something in order to get into a better relationship after, if I distract myself with another person, like okay, I'm just chilling, I'm just getting into a situation, just time passing, this that, I'm not going to learn that. Of course, उसके बाद मैं दूसरे relationship में आऊँगी and उसके बाद मैं वही same patterns repeat करूँगी, and I'll also see myself in the same things again. The patterns are being repeated until you don't break it. The patterns will get repeated until you don't break it. So you are the only person who holds that thing, who holds that power, who holds that control. This person is not giving me that. So whatever lessons you are supposed to learn, for me it was also about resting or being still at one place. always struggle with that, and I've seen myself being in that. And recently, when I tell you that I couldn't even move, I was so sick. I'm sick, not physically, like I'm not talking about medical sickness, like um, I'm not going through all that. This sickness was different, you know. I could feel that I just need to just lay down and not take everything too much. I need to let go. Okay, I need to let go of a lot of things from inside in order to feel good out from the outside, you know. It was it was very different. The whole phase was very different. But believe me, after everything that I dealt with, the way that's aligned me with this new life that I'm creating. I'll be back in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Love you guys.